Hey guys, it's Cody Hickman here with 360 Catering YouTube channel. It's National Gluten-Free Day, so we're going to do gluten-free mini muffins. Let's get to it. I'm going to start out with some bananas. Got a few stuck in there, they won't come out. Some gluten-free oats. Figs. You can use figs, you can use dates, you can do whatever you like to do in your dried fruit. I like figs. Some large eggs. Do about 3 eggs there. Some baking powder. And just a little bit of salt. Put this back on if I can figure it out. It's gonna be a little loud, so apologize for that. Okay, so what we got now is our mix, our batter mix for. We've already got pan sprayed vegetable oil, very important vegetable oil for our muffin tin. This is a very thick batter because you want to have more of a dense consistency with your muffin. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour it in a bowl and we're going to scoop it in with a spoon. So we're going to do that right now. Get that blade out of there. And that looks good. The consistency on it is perfect. You want that nice, smooth, glossy consistency. Alright, it's time to get these delicious muffins in the oven. We're going to do it. We're going to do it 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Heavy oven is a little different.
Action.
Okay guys, here we are. We got our muffins ready to roll. Gluten-free muffins for everybody. We'll come on over here. Now normally, of course, we're going to let these cool, but as you can see, they're already ready to pop out. These guys just want to get out of here. Look how easy they're coming out and how beautiful they look, how smooth they are. Coming out because that pan spray of earlier on the muffin tin. We're going to spray it with just a little ancho chili cocoa powder. So there you have it, gluten-free muffins. Hope you all enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Of course, all of our recipes are on 360 Catering and Events website and on our YouTube channel.